you want to get your door handle out, there's only one other video out there. So I broke it, and I'll link the video. There's only one other video, and he explains it. He explains it well, but he doesn't show how to do it. It's not hard to figure out, it's just hard to film. So I did my driver's one last time, and my passenger side just went out. So what a better time to try and film something for the S2000 community. So there's a little clip, the one he's talking about. It is, here's that. It's right here. See, it's hard to film. Let me get a different angle. So it's basically, it's in here. Where's this thing? I had to break this to get the bolt off because I think I stripped the bolt or something because it's not coming out. So I took a drill and just drilled out the plastic. I think it broke it enough where I can yank it off. Kind of sucks. Alright, so one thing turned into another. So my phone died, so I had to charge it, so I couldn't film it. But it was this drill. I just drilled it like crazy. Hammering this rest of this piece out. And it just broke the plastic off this bolt. So now it's kind of free floating. I'll worry about the bolt when it comes out. It's fucking cricket. Ain't that a bitch? Nothing some ice creams can't fix. Fuck yeah. Dude. It's right there. I've been out here for almost 2 hours. It's this clip right here. So I broke this one thinking it was that one. I know it was this one down here. I already popped it out, but it was a bitch to get in there. It's exactly where you think it's gonna be at, but you can't even see it. So now I'm in it now. Where's that other one? This one. Sorry for the shaking. There we go. Fuck you, bitch. Sorry. I don't even know if it caught that. It's a pain in the ass. I'm not looking forward to putting it back in. I hate this part because I'm like, I just wrapped my shit. See? Okay. Another piece. And this is kind of how it goes here. I know it's a lot easier here, kind of. You got all the leverage in the world, or you can just pop it off like this. If I remember, it was pretty easy to. It was pretty easy to put it back in, if I remember correctly. So I remember it was when I put it back in, I didn't struggle that much. Let's try and pop it off. Stupid ass clip. So it goes this way with the little prongs going down, but you got to press it in this way. I'll see if I can record it. I don't know if I'll be able to. This one's got like 3 threads. Couldn't get this thing out, so maybe I should have left this loose. Yeah, let me loosen up the door handle. I think I could wiggle it in. Alright, here's my next issue. Don't worry about the wrap, it's a shitty wrap. The solenoid doesn't fit. So this sits inside the car, right? It's like this, you put your key in. I took the little, what's it called, little clip? I forgot what it's called. It's a little C-clip that's on here. I took it off just to have this in hand because I couldn't measure it well. I've already dremeled out a little bit using this tip. Sorry for the messy workbench. And it's supposed to go like this. But this doesn't fit in there, so I'm dremeling it out so that it sits inside. I think it has to do with the angle of these locks. So if I just cut out like that area, it might work. I'm just gonna Dremel it and take my time, wait for it to slide in. It's got some way to go. It's got some ways to go. Yeah, it looks like I just have to get that. See right here, it's catching. So I think depending, I don't think I did this on my driver's side. It's catching right there in that little corner. But they flare out. So basically I'm just trying to get rid of this groove. And also for reference, this is how I space mine out. So I know the other guy said to pay attention to the threads, and I did this on the other side too. So if you could see here, you can see 3 threads. What was that? Like it was 2 full threads. You can't really tell, it's hard on video. And then the third one was sitting farther back. But I mean, that's how I visually remember it. Butter. I was struggling yesterday. Oh, that's when I just called it quits for the night. I said, now I'm good. This door handle was a nightmare, but I almost wanted to take it to a shop. And I was like, no, figure it out, you're broke. You can't do it. You can't afford it. And then remember these prongs, they go back, they go the other way. They go facing you. Oh, I might not be able to do this with my left hand. Let's see. Try again. Ground, flat on the ground right now. So I'm just trying to get it in that groove. I think it catches right here. I'm trying to get it to sit in here. I'm just going for it. I'm not even 100% sure it's lined up. It's just so hard. Oh, you stupid bitch. Got that on my phone. I might not be able to record this. Let me tighten this thing up real fast. So this way I don't have to worry about it pushing back. At least it's tightened all the way. Let's see. I'm not left-handed, so it's a little harder. I'm stuck. Son of a bitch. Yes. Okay, clipped in. I'm using a flathead or something. Can't get something else in there. Fuck yeah. Fuck you. I got it, and I hope it's all on video. Alright, so I ended up using, this is the one that came with the aftermarket door handle. I used the OEM one. The OEM one is just straight. It doesn't have these prongs in the front. It's not bent in the front. It's just got these wiggly lines. This one I also I tried to widen it, making it wider to make it fit. But I ended up using the OEM one, and I also stretched it out to make the opening bigger. And it slid right in. I mean, it still took me 20 minutes to get the clip in, I think. Oh man, that even feels solid. It felt better than the OEM one. Oh. So satisfying.